nè Newton's third law of motion kha sil fia rale
then in Newton's third law of motion chumo englo swimmer come backward chini ti chuan mo englo a front tin a kalde anga chan chui sha and chan chu kai mang sha a chan chumo englo hete khadin swimmer come backward chini ti chuan mo englo thil water englo khan mo kaltir mo chuan action chumo then khanin tinga chuanin a water khanin sutlai lama sonin a push mo chumi chu action ani
chang khatya chu mo Newton's third law of motion khatya kaltir to khama
oh
ani le enge sawa kha birds can't fly in space tiro enge chan kha ka
a chan chumo bird chok the chuan gravity mangin an thloka englo mangin englo bird choten wings te khatyang khanin ti chuan mo englo an wings chungmi a khan mo air num tam zoka a hnai a in chuanin harmonic diffraction khan mo englo bird khat yang khanina chunga da a chumi chuanin lift siam na se space chumo vacuum ania tu wang chuanin englo omlo air chu wang chuanin bird chote chuan thlok theilo space a
okay
ma saying lo finally if birds can fly on space
even if birds can fly on space mo till ai don khan
thilan ai don khanin ai thei don lo nge a chan ka sia I gravity khanin bird chote thil ai tu bird chote chuanin gravity khan depends a englo
until ai nan khan anlem nan khan mo
an manga chumi tel lo chuan chumi wang chuan bird space an thlok ngai lo thank you bye bye